What if I told you the most comfortable seat on your next camping trip might weigh less than a water bottle or support as much as 800 pounds? Sounds unbelievable, right? The truth is, today's portable folding chairs are more advanced than ever, offering incredible comfort, durability, and convenience without sacrificing portability. But with so many choices on the market, finding the right one isn't always easy. That's why we've done the research for you. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best portable folding chairs that stand out for comfort, portability, durability, and overall value. Whether you're planning a camping trip, heading to the beach, tailgating before the big game, or just relaxing in your backyard, there's a perfect chair waiting for you. Stick around until the end because we'll compare all 5 chairs and reveal the overall winner based on features, performance, and value. And remember, all the links are in the description. Number 5. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Camping Chair. If maximum strength and rock-solid stability are your top priorities, the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong camping chair is hard to ignore. Built around an incredibly tough powder-coated steel frame with durable padded 600D polyester fabric, this chair supports an astonishing 800 pounds, making it the strongest chair on today's list by a huge margin. Sitting in it feels incredibly secure, with almost no frame flex, even for larger users. And the oversized seat plus adjustable armrests make long evenings around the campfire exceptionally comfortable. Storage is another highlight thanks to multiple pockets, dual cup holders, and a large rear mesh compartment. Compared to the Romswi, the King Kong offers far better durability and a much higher weight capacity, but it's also significantly heavier. Against the Coleman, it sacrifices the built-in cooler for greater strength and premium construction. It also provides far more comfort than the lightweight LENCE, although it isn't nearly as portable. The only real downside is its 13-pound weight, which makes carrying it over long distances less enjoyable. If you mostly travel by car and want a chair built to last for years, this one easily earns its place on the list. Number 4. Romswi Oversized Camping Chairs. Looking for excellent value without giving up comfort? The Romswi Oversized Camping Chairs deliver exactly that by including 2 heavy-duty chairs for less than the price of many premium single-chair options. Each chair supports up to 500 pounds, features generous padding, wide armrests, a cup holder, and even a built-in cooler bag that keeps your drinks within easy reach. They're noticeably lighter and easier to transport than the bulky King Kong, while still feeling stable enough for camping, fishing, or backyard gatherings. Compared to the King Kong, you lose some long-term durability and maximum weight capacity, but you gain better portability and outstanding value. Compared with the Coleman, you get a higher weight limit and 2 chairs instead of 1, although Coleman's integrated cooler feels slightly more refined. They're much more comfortable than the compact LENCE, especially for extended sitting sessions. If you're shopping for couples or families on a budget, these chairs offer one of the best values available, even if the stitching may not handle years of extremely heavy use quite as well as premium models. Number 3. SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair. If you prefer sitting upright instead of sinking into a traditional camping chair, the SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair might be exactly what you're looking for. Its reinforced steel frame supports up to 500 pounds while providing a firm, supportive seating position that's especially comfortable for older adults or anyone with lower back discomfort. The built-in side table instantly sets it apart, giving you a stable surface for meals, laptops, books, or drinks, while the multi-pocket organizer keeps your essentials neatly within reach. Compared to both the Romswi and King Kong, it offers a much more structured seating experience rather than a relaxed lounging position. It also opens and folds extremely quickly thanks to its clever flat fold design, although that wider folded shape does take up more room in your vehicle than cylindrical folding chairs like the Coleman. It certainly isn't as compact as the LENCE, but if comfort while eating, working, or relaxing is your priority, the SUNNYFEEL stands out as one of the most practical choices on today's list. Number 2. Coleman Portable Camping Chair. Few camping chairs have earned a reputation quite like the Coleman Portable Camping Chair, and it's easy to see why. This chair strikes an outstanding balance between comfort, convenience, portability, and affordability. Its cushioned seat and backrest stay comfortable for hours, while the durable steel frame supports up to 325 pounds. The real star here is the insulated armrest cooler that holds up to 4 cans, letting you keep cold drinks within arm's reach without carrying an extra cooler. A cup holder and side storage pocket add even more convenience for everyday outdoor use. Compared with the King Kong, the Coleman is much lighter and easier to carry, although it doesn't offer the same heavy-duty strength. Compared to the Romswi, it includes a better design designed cooling system but sacrifices overall weight capacity. It also packs much smaller than the SUNNYFEEL while offering a softer lounging position. While backpackers will still prefer the tiny moon LENCE, for most campers, tailgaters, sports parents, and festival goers, the Coleman delivers one of the best combinations of comfort, portability, and practical features at an affordable price. Number 1. Moon LENCE Portable Camping Chair. Taking our top spot is the incredibly compact Moon LENCE 4th generation portable camping chair, proving that you don't need a bulky chair to enjoy outstanding comfort outdoors. Weighing just 2.1 pounds, this ultralight chair packs down small enough to fit inside most backpacks while still supporting an impressive 400 pounds thanks to its strong 7075 aluminum frame and rugged 900D Oxford fabric. Setup is remarkably quick thanks to its shock cord frame system, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, beach trips, motorcycle camping, or music festivals. Compared with every other chair on today's list, nothing comes close to its portability. It easily beats the Coleman, King Kong, Romswi, and SUNNYFEEL when it comes to packing size and carrying weight. However, those larger chairs offer higher seating positions, armrests, cup holders, and greater lounging comfort for car camping. If portability is your #1 priority, the Moon LENCE simply has no equal, making it one of the smartest buys for outdoor adventurers who need maximum performance with minimum weight. Overall, winner so. Which chair comes out on top when we compare all 5? It really depends on your needs. The Moon LENCE dominates portability and is unbeatable for hikers and travelers. The King Kong is the clear heavyweight champion for durability and maximum support. The SUNNYFEEL is perfect for upright comfort and dining, while the Romswi delivers exceptional value for families. But when we consider the best overall balance of comfort, features, portability, durability, and price, the Coleman portable camping chair takes the crown. It may not be the strongest or the lightest, but it does almost everything exceptionally well, making it the easiest recommendation for the widest range of people. What do you think? Would you choose the ultralight Moon LENCE, the rugged King Kong, or the feature-packed Coleman? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. Outro. That wraps up our list of the 5 best portable folding chairs. We hope this comparison helped you find the perfect chair for your next camping trip, beach day, sporting event, or backyard gathering. Remember, all the links are in the description if you want to check out today's picks and learn more about each one. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy camping!